This is from Hong Kong, Winnie's house location. That's Winnie right there. That's her daddy, mommy, and brother. Hi. This is Winnie right now.
That's my dad. Don't we look alike?
Oh, so cute, yeah. So cute though.
He would love it.
To have people say we look alike. I know. You guys do look alike.
This is Winnie's house.
Your dad said.
Wow.
Oh yeah, this is my grandma's, but this is for the shuttle bus,
Oh.
so you can use it.
Really?
Yeah, Ali has my aunt.
Okay. Wow. Show you more later. Me. This is gonna be dinner soon. Winnie, I want to see all your pictures.